Good morning and welcome back to North Dakota today.
Hi.
As promised, we have been shaking and working through the commercial break. I think it's time for a little status update.
Sure, yes. Are we supposed to talk about exactly what happened during the break or just move on?
So a lot of things happened during the commercial
Shall
break.
we move on?
So I put water in mine
water
because
bottle.
the paint was extraordinarily thick.
Yeah, this brand of
And
paint
I
right
tried to mix it with a stirring stick. I dropped the stirring stick in it. I had to then get the
Let's pick it
stirring
up.
stick out. I
like,
stirred
yeah.
it with a different stick.
That's great. You just went, here we go.
Yep, and it
right
just
inside the
slid
bottle.
right back down. But look at that, now it's
Yes.
covered.
Yep, and I got all
Beautiful.
purple and you've got purple and yellow.
Yes, I tried swirling a little bit and you could see the solid colors remained up top, but down here they've started combining,
Yes.
giving a cool effect here.
Yes,
Go
definitely.
Vikings.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
Absolutely.
Minnesota fans out there.
And those are complementary colors. We've talked about that before. Here's
Look
the color
at
wheel.
you with your color wheels.
I know, I've got everything, right? Mary Poppins. Just here we go. Here's a lamp. Here's another lamp.
I love it. Okay, so once I get to this point, what's my next step here? I gotta let it dry, right?
So yes, you would let it dry, but because we're on television, we're not going to have people just sit and literally watch paint dry. Okay? We can't. No.
Oh gosh,
You know. Whoa! What happened?
I'm making more of a mess.
Oh my gosh. Anyway.
Carry on.
Nothing happened. Nothing to see there.
Yep.
So yeah. Anyway. So yeah, you would let this dry. You could tip it upside down, sort of overnight. You know, and just let it dry. Or since these have corks, you know, but it's really not going to cure or dry as much with the cork in there. You know, so you
Okay,
probably have to
so
remove it and then just let it dry. You know,
Leave
like
it,
that.
I see.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, overnight. There we go. Maybe a little longer because the paint has been put on so thick.
Yep.
You know, and then yeah, we got these flowers here, these different types of flowers. You picked, right? The pansies you had guessed?
Pansies.
Right? And I was like, what did you call me? Oh! Here we go. So there's
funny.
these that I had picked out. And I picked these out because, and again, these were at Dollar Tree.
Nice.
Okay, those are the real flowers. These are the faux or fake ones. Okay.
We're not killing off our newsroom
No,
plants.
no. And I actually, you were like, did you steal those? And I was like, no, I repurposed them. You know, sort of thing.
Perfect.
Yes, isn't that what art is all about? But I picked these types of flowers that we're working with now because they were multiple colors.
Nice.
So, you know, get more for your money, more for your dollar,
Yeah.
I suppose.
Look
Yep.
how cute this
Oh,
is.
look at that. Yes. And I'll put these in.
You know,
Here we
the
go.
first thing that came to my mind is this is such a cute Mother's Day gift.
Yes. Oh, absolutely.
That is a good idea.
Yeah. And so that's the whole project. And I had realized too, before I was on the show today, we had talked about how people had been sending me images of the art projects they're working on
Yeah.
at home.
Which is
I do
so
apologize
exciting.
I didn't share them next time I'm on.
Yes,
Yes.
we
I'll
should
share 'em.
have some.
And if anyone has any at home, go ahead and share them with me or share them with, is that all right? You know, Values Live or
Absolutely.
North Dakota
Absolutely.
Today. Yeah, so many projects in the past. You know, moms have been sending me, that's where you brought up Mother's Day. I was like, oh yeah, moms have been sending me photos. Like, we worked on this project, you know, the whole family.
Well, I'm glad people are
Yes.
following along at home too. I think a lot of ours are easy with kids because the mess is contained.
Yeah.
Yep.
And like this, they're not getting paint anywhere unless they're Sophia and I.
Well, hey, yeah, the
Have them
cork
shake
pops
it
off.
outside, yes.
Yeah,
yes.
absolutely.
Well,
Yeah.
this is so much fun, and obviously we have all of our previous segments posted, so if you're looking for some fun ideas to do with the kiddos, I mean, school's almost out, believe it or not.
yeah.
You can go on our website, Valley News Live, go on under the North Dakota Today tab. You can check on our Facebook.
Yep.
We have a ton of segments with John David Berdahl, but how can we get in contact with you?
Absolutely. Yeah, so you can contact me. I'm all over social media as really John David because
'Cause
I'm
he's
really
really
John
John
David. Woo! You know? People have been telling me that too. You are really wow. You know, you're
are.
really like that, like off camera.
Oh, yes.
Yes, I'm like this all the time. Never stops. But yeah, so yeah, I had really John David on social media. You can email me at johndavidberdahl@gmail.com. Or you could call, I suppose, schedule something, 701-353-9721.
And if you want to get the kiddos out of the house this summer, you also teach art classes at Plains Art Museum
Yeah,
too.
yeah, occasionally, yes. I was an access consultant there for a while too, which was really nice. The first of that sort of, I guess, position that was what that had happened there or occurred there. But yeah, so Moorhead Area Public Schools, Moorhead Community Education, yeah, privately. Just in case the
Wonderful.
classroom setting isn't for everyone, you know, if they need a little more one-on-one, you
Yeah,
know, or I don't
absolutely.
know, privacy.
And how can people look at the schedule for those classes?
Oh gosh, there's a catalog. You know, you ought to receive them in the mail for the community education types
Nice.
of classes. Yeah, we're going to be making there's going to be a camp this summer, Mischief Monster Makers.
Oh.
I've gathered up so much cardboard, so much just, materials to make these monsters. At the end, we'll put slime in their mouths and we'll make the
Oh,
slime.
fun.
Yes.
I love that.
Yes.
Okay,
Is
well,
that
so
enough?
much fun.
Is
Yes,
that enough
this
that
looks
I'm doing?
great. Thank you
Good,
so much,
good.
Sean.
Yes, cheers.
Cheers.
Oh,
We've got plenty more North Dakota today right after this short break. We'll see you in a moment, guys.